Transform your Android phone into a portable powerhouse for creating polished Word documents anytime, anywhere. First things first, let's get the essential tool. Head over to your Google Play Store and search for Microsoft Word. Tap Install to download and open the app. Inside the Word app, you'll see a plus icon. Usually, in the top corner, tap that to start a brand new document, or choose from existing templates if you prefer. Now, you're on a blank canvas. Simply tap on the screen where you want to start typing, and your keyboard will pop up. Type away to your heart's content. But we're not just typing words. We're crafting professional documents. Look for the formatting ribbon at the bottom of the screen. Here you can make your text bold, italic, or underline it. Adjust your font size and type, and even align your text to the left, center, or right. Need to add visuals or structure? Tap on the Insert option. From here, you can easily add pictures from your gallery, create tables for organized data, or even insert shapes and other helpful elements to make your document stand out. Crucially, let's save your masterpiece. Tap the Save icon, which looks like a diskette. You'll have options to save directly to your device or to cloud storage services like OneDrive, ensuring your work is backed up and accessible from any device. By integrating with cloud storage, you can seamlessly pick up where you left off on your computer or tablet, making your workflow efficient and uninterrupted. And there you have it, your very own professionally created Word document, all made on your Android phone. Happy creating.